Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to now use our regular expression find all method on how to search for dates. So alright, I'm just going to, let's just copy this, and I'll put the card right here for last video. So, because I want to talk about the structure of the dates. So, alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark and the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So, alright, and if you do not know find all, I will now put that card right here. So, alright, let's think about a date, especially so it's got 4 numbers, right? And to help isolate our search pattern, The Raven is a very old poem. Let's say you're not sure exactly if it was written in the 1800s or the 1900s. So first, we can do this. The first number is going to be a 1. So it's a 4-digit number. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 8 through 9, then 0 through 9, and 0 through 9 again. And what we're doing right here is we want to find the date inside the Raven. So we're not just sitting there searching because we don't know what the date is, so we can't run. And let's say that you're searching a file and you know that the date is in there and you know it's 1900 and something. You don't want to have to scan and you're having a hard time searching for it. So you're going to run and create this pattern just like this. So it's going to catch everything, all 4-digit numbers that start with a 1, then have an 8 or a 9, and then have 2 more numbers after that that are all encompassing. So, alright, and then we just do print a date, and then let's see, okay, run this, and lo and behold, it spits out 1845. So that is that. Now next video we're going to show a shortcut of how to do repeating, because like I said, regular expressions can get very tricky, very complicated, very, very fast, and I want you to be able to come and search for this over and over and over again, because if you're like me, that's the point of this channel, is if you're like me and you have to do before you can learn. You have to do something repeatedly, because oh my god, I have to screw up, learn, figure it out, go from there. And the point of this channel is to make your life easier. I want to save you the pain that I went through. So there we go. Real quick video today. And next time we do regular expressions, we're going to find a shortcut of how to do this with curly brackets. There's your little hint, and there's your tease. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure you're clicking that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already, and please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below and I'll get right to them. So as always guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.